morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today you all know here we are for our maths class. Okay? In maths our chapter number 8 is going on. Which chapter is going on? Chapter number 8. And what is the name of the chapter is? Yes, the name of the chapter is money. And yesterday we have done activity on money now. Yes or no? Yes now we have done the activity on money. Yes. Where we use money and why we need money? Why do we need money? Yes. If we want to purchase something from the market, we need money. Okay? And in India, money is in rupees and paisa. Okay? In India, the money is in rupees and in paisa. And it is called Indian currency. And what it is called? It is called Indian currency. Okay? As I have shown you the notes and coins now. I have shown you now notes and coins. Different types of notes and coins and different numbers on written on these notes and coins now. Yes, that is our Indian currency. Today we again do the recap of that topic. Okay? Look at here. What you can see here? Yes, a coin is here. Yes. Where the number is written on the coin, it is called the tail of the coin. And the other side of the coin is called head. And the other side of the coin is called head. Okay? You all know now, as I yesterday explained you each and everything about notes and coins. Yes. But again we are going to do the recap of this. Let's see the coins here. As you can see here, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Yes now, you can see here different types of coins and different number is written on the coins. Yes now? Okay. Now let's move on notes. Look at here. You can see here a note now. And what is note? Yes, the money in the form of a paper and authorized by Indian government is called note. Let's do the recap of notes. Look at here, you can see different notes here now and different number written on the notes. Yes, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note. Yes now? Yes, you can see here now? Yes. And the numbers written on the coin and the notes called its face value. The number written on the coin and note called its face value. Hope you all understood the concept of money. Now we are going to do the exercise related with it. Okay everyone? So take out your books and open the page number 144. And today we will do exercise number 8.1. Open it fast. Okay everyone? Open it fast and take out your pencil and eraser also. Have you opened the book? Here as you can see exercise number 8.1. Let's read the question number 1. What is the question number 1 is? Anisha and Sumit go to market with their mother. They buy the items shown in column A. Look at the price tags of these items. Match the price with the correct note/coin of the same value in column B. What we have to do here? Here you can see the different items and different text now and different value is written here. And Here you can see the coin and notes. And now you have to match the items with their money. Yes, now do the exercise. Column A and B. Okay, look at here. The toffee. The price of the toffee is 2 rupees. What is the price of the toffee? Toffee is 2 rupees. Okay, now match with the 2. Where the 2 is written here? Yes, here on the coin of 2 rupees, 2 is written. It means they have to pay 2 rupees for purchasing to purchase the toffee. Okay, to match it with 2. Okay. Now next one is, you can see here a chocolate na. Yes, and what is the price of chocolate? 5 rupees. And what is the price of the chocolate? 5 rupees. And now we have to search here where is the 5 is written. Yes, on the coin of 5 rupees, the 5 is written. It means they have to pay 5 rupees coin to purchase the chocolate. Okay, let's match it. What is the next one? Yes, here you can see a notebook na. Yes, and what is the price of notebook? 10 rupees. And where is the 10 rupees written? Where is the 10 rupees written? Yes, here on the note of 10, 10 is written. Now we have to match notebook with the 10 rupees note. Okay everyone. Now let's move on the next. Here you can see a bat now. Yes. And what is the price of this bat? 50 rupees. And where is the 50 rupees written? Yes. On the note of 50, the 50 is written. It means they have to pay 50 rupees note to purchase the bat. Let's match it with 50 rupees note. Okay. And what is the next? Yes. A crayon box. Here you can see the crayons now. And what is the price of it? 20 rupees. And where you can see the 20? Yes. On the note of 20 you can see the 20. Okay. Now let's match it with the 20 rupees note. Hope you all have done this matching now. Now move on to the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Number the coins 1-3 from the highest to the lowest value respectively. One is done for you. Here what we have to do? Here we have to arrange these coins in number 1, 2, 3 from highest to lowest. Okay. So as you can see here now, what is the highest number is here? Yes, 10. And for 10, 1 is already written. Yes, now? Now let's move on another ones. Yes. Here you can see the 2 coins. And which coin is have highest value? Which coin have highest value? Yes. This 2 rupee coin is have highest value here. So here we have to write 2. Okay. And which coin is left? Yes, 1. And it is has lowest value. It's mean here we have to write 3. Okay everyone. Hope you all have done this. Okay. Now next move on to the third question. Yes. And what is the third question is? Here what we have to do? Number the notes 1, 3 from the lowest. From the lowest. Here we have to do from the lowest to highest value respectively. Okay. You know now from the lowest to highest. Okay. Look at here. You can see here the face value of the notes now. And what is the lowest value note is here? Yes. What is the smaller number here? Yes. The smaller number is here 20. So we have to write here 1 for the lowest price. Okay, right here 1. Now move on next one. Yes, and here we have two another notes now. Yes, 50 rupee note and 100 rupee note. And in these notes, which is the smaller note? Yes, 50 rupees note is smaller than 100 rupees note. So here we have to write 2. So here we have to write 3 because it is have highest value. Okay everyone? Hope you all have done the book exercise. Okay, so you have to do your work in a neat and clean way. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.